Why do 78% of creators blame tools when results stall? Because they skip the plan and jump to tools. Tools without strategy are flashy calculators. Stop worshiping the tool, focus on strategy. ChatGPT is a screwdriver, not a blueprint. Step 1. Define the goal. Who is your audience? Precisely, pick one measurable win in 30 days. Step 2. Design a rinse and repeat process. Prompts, clear, reusable, tied to the goal. Templates, standardize common outputs. Checkpoints, review and measure. Step 3. Use ChatGPT to execute. Automate first drafts, fast and cheap. Test ideas with quick experiments. Scale what works, measure, tweak, repeat. The secret isn't AI magic. It's a repeatable strategy that lets AI deliver. Want real growth? Start with the plan. Then bring ChatGPT to supercharge it. You don't need ChatGPT. You need strategy plus ChatGPT. Ready to flip the equation? Strategy plus ChatGPT equals predictable results.